Yo, what is up and what is going on, everybody? In today's video we got the Audi A6 55 TFSIe plug-in hybrid from 2020, and this car is just something else. Look at those new headlights, the Quattro badge at the front, the all blacked out Audi badge, and just look at this panoramic roof, those black huge rims with those red S-line calipers. We got a S-line badge on the side because obviously this car is full S-line on the outside. Look at the diffuser with those 4 exhaust tips. It is something else. If you open up the hood, look at this. Yep, it's a 4-cylinder. If you guys are wondering, bro, why does Audi go for a 2-liter 4-cylinder in an Audi A6 saloon in such a huge car? Guys, let me tell you, this 2-liter 4-cylinder is the basic recipe of Volkswagen and Audi in almost every single performance car. This one over here, as I said, 2-liter 4-cylinders with 252 horsepower and 370 newton meters of torque all alone on this engine. And if we combine that with the electro motor, it comes to a whopping 367 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. That is crazy. Let's close it up and let's get inside the car and take a closer look at the interior, because look at those beautiful S-line seats. We got our panoramic roof, and if we start up the car, there we go. We got our climate settings over here, heated seats obviously, and a lot of climate settings. Those buttons over here, automatic parking, some more car settings, and here, this is something I really like. If you move onto the 3D, you can basically just scroll all around the car and see the full environment. But too much talking, let's go for a drive. Let's put it in drive, handbrake off, and let's go. So guys, as I said, we got the 55 TFSIe, and that means we have 367 horsepower, and that's combined with the 2-liter 4-cylinder, which is the basic recipe for almost every single Golf and Audi performance car. And in a car this big, I would expect a 3-liter 6-cylinder at least, but they did a very good job on this one because they combined it with an electro motor that produces 367 horsepower, and that is crazy to me. We got 367 horsepower and 500 whopping newton meters of torque. So yeah, let's see what this car is all about. We got a head-up display as well. I'm gonna show you guys the drive select modes as well as some other stuff. Here we go. Be efficient. Let's create some space between the guy in front of us so we can actually blast for a second. Guys, here we go. Wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. We also got our pedal shifter, so we can also try to, you know, fumble around with the manual mode. We are driving towards Zaandam, and yeah, it is a basic day in the Netherlands. It's very rainy, which sucks, but you know, it's alright. It's alright because we're in an Audi A6 Quattro 55 TFSIe. The steering wheel is also very comfortable, I gotta say. It's very light, but not too light, you know, like some French cars. What is bro doing? Wow. You can actually hear the electro motor doing its work. The usual electric sounds, that's something I can really hear right now. As you can see on the speedo on the left, it says we're going on 0 RPM because we're going on electro mode right now. And if you press this EV button over here, you can basically just put it on battery hold, and we switch over to the real engine. And if we press the gas pedal right now, you can actually hear the engine making some noise. That's basically the battery hold mode. You can also, if you press the EV button again, you can put it on EV, which means going full electric mode. You also have auto hybrid, which means just the intelligent, you know, the intelligent usage of the electromotor, combining it with the real engine, obviously. So yeah, that's basically about the AV mode. The thing I really like about this car, and that's just in general Audi, is that you can switch over through all the different screens. And yeah, if you go over here, you can scroll down and see all different type of stuff, fuel efficiency, all that kind of stuff, the date, time, whatever. And if you go to the navigation, you actually have a map in front of you. That is something Audi has done really well in basically all of their models. So yeah, if you press view, it'll get bigger. If you press view again, it'll just get smaller. So, and you can also switch in those settings as well, radio, whatever. If you move on to the light, we also have ambiance lighting. But yeah, it's 4 p.m. in the afternoon, so it doesn't really make a lot of sense. It's gonna be leaving that and going back to home. There we go. Guys, surprise. Let's go to drive select. Let's put it on dynamic. Okay, we're on dynamic, or sports mode in Audi language, and here we go. Wow, that is crazy. Alright boys, this is gonna be it for today's video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!